Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system for the 2019 through 2022 and likely beyond ACURA RDX with a bare roof. This system comprises three components, starting with the BaseLine towers set of 4 and the JetStream load bars set of 2, available in silver or black, and 2 sets of 2 of the BaseLine clip and pad sets. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the JetStream load bar. Here we've cut this one down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. This shape is designed to minimize wind noise and wind drag. There is a track that runs along the top of the bar to provide a method of attachment for certain carriers to give you a very clean, integrated attachment style. On the underside of the bar is another track, which is where the tower is attached, and there are numbers that are alongside that track, which will guide you in the correct positioning of the tower on the bar. Now, the tower itself has multiple adjustments in order to get a very customized fit to the vehicle. We'll take a look at those adjustments by first pulling off this outer cover. There are 3 dots on either side. We just grip those and pull downward to take off that cover. Inside the tower, we have a hatch that we can open to expose the fastener that holds the tower to the load bar. It not only serves that function, but it also allows for a pitch adjustment, which means the bar can be angled to better match the roof line of the vehicle on curved roofs. There is another adjustment on the underside here. That is a toe adjustment, and that will allow for the adjustment of the pad and clip assembly to better match the curvature of the roof line and the angles. Now, on the inside of the tower, we have 2 more adjustments. One here, which is designed to bring the clip set against the door frame of the vehicle, and then another underneath the hatch here, which will bring the clip set upward and to grip into the door frame. Now, all those adjustments are done using the same tool that's provided with the towers, and this tool has a unique function where once the fastener is completely tight, I'll demonstrate on this one, the tool clicks, and that way you know you've reached the correct tightness. Now, the pad and clip set, here we have an example of one of the clips. This is a metal clip with a black powder coat finish, and on the underside is a rubber pad to provide grip and protection to the door frame area. Now, on the bottom here we have the pad, and that pad comes in various shapes in order to match the curvature of the roof line. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the cover back into place. And you'll notice here we have a plastic plug. That plug can be replaced when you purchase a set of Yakima SKS lock cores separately. These are sold in matched sets so that you can have all 4 of your towers all key matched. That can be extended to other Yakima SKS compatible accessories, which could include carriers that you have attached onto the roof rack, as well as even hitch rack products as well. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system. This product, along with the full line of Yakima products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options for this system. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.